In this video, I'll guide you through how to add an image to your SurveyMonkey survey. Whether you're looking to enhance your survey with visual elements or simply want to make it more engaging, adding an image can be a great way to capture your audience's attention. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to go to surveymonkey.com. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL to navigate to the SurveyMonkey homepage. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure you enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard where you can manage all of your surveys. Now, look for the option labeled All Surveys on the dashboard. Clicking this will take you to a list of all the surveys you've created. If you have a lot of surveys, don't worry. You can use the search bar to quickly find the one you're looking for. And once you've located the survey you want to work on, click on it to open. With your survey open, the next step is to click on Build at the top left of your screen. This button switches you into the survey building mode, where you can add or modify questions and other elements in your survey. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in the build mode, look for the option to add a question type. You'll want to click on Single Text Box. This will add a new question where you can include a text box for respondents to enter their responses. It's a flexible option that allows you to not only include text but also images, which is exactly what we're aiming to do here. After adding the single text box, you'll need to type some text. This could be a question or a brief description that accompanies the image you're about to add. This text will give your respondents context, so make sure it's clear and concise. Now it's time to incorporate the image. Look for the option that says Insert or Edit Image. Clicking this will bring up a dialog box where you can manage the images you want to include in your survey. This feature is what sets your survey apart by making it visually appealing. Within the dialog box, you'll need to browse for an image. Click on the Browse button, and it will allow you to search your computer for the image file you want to use. Once you've found the perfect image, select it and hit OK. The image will now be inserted into your survey question right alongside the text you've typed. This visual element can make your survey more engaging and can help clarify the questions or information you're presenting. And there you have it. You've successfully added an image to your SurveyMonkey survey. Before you finish, take a moment to preview your survey to ensure everything looks just right. You can always go back and edit if needed. I hope this guide was helpful and that you feel more confident adding images to your surveys. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy surveying.